Hi everybody, and welcome to your first lesson on seasons. So today's lesson is titled Animal Adaptations. So in this video, I am going to walk you through how you are going to be completing this lesson. Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to learn a little bit more about how certain animals in different habitats or environments react to the changing of the seasons into the winter season. So now, the very first thing that you are going to do to complete this lesson is you're going to scroll down and you're going to watch this video. So this video is going to be right here on the screen after I upload it. There's going to be a link right here for it. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go through this slideshow right here to the left. So you're just going to click through and you're going to read through all of these slides. They're going to give you a little bit of background information that you need to complete this lesson today. It's also going to explain to you a little bit about what we are doing today. It's going to give you a little bit of vocabulary that's going to help you read through the books you're going to be reading later on. And then it's going to go into the directions, which we're going to cover today in this video, but they're also here for you if you need them. And then lastly, it's going to go over the activity, so what you're going to be doing today. And we're going to come back to that in just a minute. So now, today during class, you are going to be reading all three of these books. So you're going to learn how Canada geese adapt to winter, how rainbow trout adapt to winter, and how grizzly bears adapt to winter. So in order to read these books, all you're going to do is click directly on the book. Now, when you click on the book, it may ask you for a login. That login information is right here. Miss Arnold and I created an account for all of Miss Cleveland's third graders to use, and you're going to find the username, which is right here. It's Potosic Arnold, and then the password is third grade. All of the letters are lowercase. If you need an adult to help you log in, go get an adult to help you put in this information, and then try again, okay? So you're going to go through, you're going to click on it, and you're going to click through all of the pages and read the entire book. Now, if you need to, click on this blue arrow and it's going to let you listen to the book as well. So I recorded myself reading the book, so as you're reading, you can listen and follow along to the text. After you finish reading the book, right here it says, after you have finished reading the story, click here to complete the questions about Canada geese on Google Forms. So after you've read each book, there's a Google Forms that you're going to click on the link and you're going to just answer 2 to 3 questions about the animal and the habitat that they live in. You can find all of the answers that you need to these questions right on these pages right here, okay? Now, after you have finished reading all 3 books and you've gone through and answered all 3 Google Forms, what you're going to do is, we'll scroll back up to the activity, you are going to draw a picture of one of those 3 animals you learned about preparing for winter. So you're going to actually draw what you learned about in the book. And then after that, you're going to write a couple of sentences underneath your picture about why it is important that your animal adapts to the winter the way that it does. And after you have drawn your picture and written your few sentences, you're going to scroll back down this page and you're going to click on this Padlet right here. This Padlet is going to open up, and how you're going to create a post is you're going to click this button right here. You're going to put your name, so I'll do mine, Miss Potosic. See, I already have one created right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this camera, and then you're going to hold your picture that you drew up. You're going to snapshot it, and you're going to upload your drawing and your couple sentences right here. So you can type out your summary right on here, or you can include it in your photograph. And how you save this post is you just simply click out of it, and now the post is there, and you're going to be able to see all of your classmates' posts and all of the pictures that they drew. So, remember, you're going to start off by watching this video, going through the slides, reading the books, answering the questions, and then uploading your picture onto the Padlet link. Okay, have fun and enjoy!